Hey everybody, hopefully this is going good. It's definitely hopefully going to go quick because my wife's got to grade somebody, no, a Google Meet in a minute. So yeah, we're going to see what we get up to here. File, edit, let's see how fast I can make this. Float on top, bam. Hey, big topic right now is, why is that not there? There we go. Forget it, I'm just going to go like this. Big topic right now is diversity. It's been in the news lately, all that good stuff. We're doing diversity as far as science goes. We're going to create a diversity index. This is not some rocket science here for Google Sheets. It's more like a good practice, and I'm not the wizard at Google Sheets. Like, this is just basic stuff. So yeah, open up a Google Sheet, call it diversity indices. I'm going to put mine right there as SOAR. You should put diversity indices, whatever your name is. All right, now you got to think about something that you can do for the classroom. I'm going to do, like, I'll give you a bunch of options in class. I'm going to do, politics is a hot topic, so we'll go with politics. All right, political leanings. Good. All right, now next one right here, I'm going to extend that out a little bit like that, bring that out like that. I'm just going to put a number of individuals. Good. Now, so we'll put down here, I'll put conservative. I'll go down here, I'll do liberal. These are all going to change for your classes. Like if you're doing like hair or like height or like skin color, male, female, like whatever, like who likes ice cream, who doesn't. ISO, actually let's put anarchist just for fun. You might have to look what that word is. Let's go independent and isolationist. Just making these ones up. All right, number of individuals, put 10 there, we'll put 10 there. We'll put 1 there, hopefully it's just 1. Independent, good, and isolationist 2, bang, okay. So obviously you have those. Now what we want to do is we want to make some sort of bar graph with that. So I'm going to go like that, I'm going to go like that, I'm going to go, oh yeah, but the other thing I'm going to do is before I do that, I'm going to go down here. I'm going to rename this core 9 because we've never had a core 9. I don't see us getting a core 9. And then I'm going to go to insert here. We're going to go to chart like that. And oh yeah, here's where this pops up. Unfortunately, my fat head is in the way, but we'll move that. So what you're going to do is when this pops up, you're going to hit customize like that. Actually, or setup. You're going to click this. You're going to click on column chart like that, pow. And this should pop up like this. Once you've done this, then what we're going to do is you're going to share it with me and print it on out. So, you know, obviously, when you go up to the front board, you're going to go, you'll see, share it with jsoar@correct.org. That's my email. Go over here, shared with me. You're going to click on whatever pops up, and then you'll go to this, you'll go to file, print, and yeah, go to print like that, and then hit next, pow, and this will go like that. Unfortunately, I have it as saved PDF here, but you're going to put it as a school printer, and then hit save, print, whatever, and should be good to go. So, yep, everybody, that's what we got. My best. All right, bye.